when generator is connected to inductor, capacitor and resistor, we are proved that the AC current peak value is always less than ACMF in these three: inductor, capacitor and resistor. But the generator is connected to the resistor, the phase of ACMF and phase of AC current are lies in the same. So phase difference is 0. But in the inductor, AC current phase is behind the AC EMF. But in capacitor, AC current is advanced with 90 degrees of ACMF. Now the generator is connected to resistor and inductor, which are connected in series. Now the generator is connected to resistor and inductor, which are connected in series. How much the current passing through this resistor inductor circuit, shortcut RL circuit? How much current passing through the RL circuit? Next, when the resistor is connected to generator, again we use the term of resistor only. But when the inductor is connected to the generator, we use one word, that is capacitive reactance. And the generator is connected to the capacitor, we can use capacitive reactance, XL and XC. But when inductor and resistor, or resistor or inductor, R and L are connected to the generator, here we use one technical word, that is impedance. Impedance means which oppose the AC EMF or which oppose the AC current is called impedance. When the current is opposed, we know the resistance. When AC current is opposed by the inductor is called inductive reactance. When AC current is opposed by capacitor is called capacitive reactance. But AC current is opposed by resistor and inductor is called impedance. The symbol is Z. When generator is connected to RL circuit, now we want to calculate what about the peak current in RL circuit. What is the impedance of RL circuit and what is the phase of AC current and AC EMF. Okay, take this diagram. Now use the Kirchhoff voltage law. From Kirchhoff voltage law, what we can write? ER is equal to E minus EL. ER means potential difference ends of the resistor. According to Ohm's law, ER is equal to IR. What is the E? E0 sin omega t. Now what is EL? EMF in the inductor. So L di by dt, this is from self inductance. Take in this side, L di by dt plus IR is equal to E naught sin omega t. We can simplify this. First we get the impedance. Impedance symbol is Z. Z is equal to root R square plus XL square. Z is equal to R square plus XL square. What is XL? Omega L. That's why Z is equal to R square plus omega square L square. We know the value of omega. Omega value is 2 pi n. That's why 4 pi square n square L square. Omega square value is how much? 4 pi square n square L square. This is the impedance of RL circuit. Next, what is the phase? This is the phase diagram. We know that one. It is advance or behind? Behind. It is lags 90 degrees downwards. So in this direction resistor, in this direction what happened? Inductive reactance XL. Okay, XL is equal to omega L. What is a tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. So XL by R. What is XL? Omega L. What is omega? 2 pi n by R. Now what is a peak current? The peak current is I naught is equal to E naught by Z. We know the value of Z. R square plus XL square. XL square is like this. Okay. These are the values. One is impedance, another one is phase, another one is peak current. These three are important in this topic while doing the problems. This is about RL circuit. When the generator is connected to resistor and inductor circuit which are in series, the impedance is this, phase is that, and peak current is that. Now, the AC generator is connected to resistor and capacitor circuit. What happened? Resistor and capacitor circuit, shortcut called as RC circuit. Resistor and capacitor, RC circuit, which are in series to the generator. What will happen? Again we find impedance, phase and peak current. Okay, again from Kirchhoff voltage law we can write ER is equal to E minus EC. What is ER? EMF at the ends of resistor, EC EMF at the ends of capacitor. This is ER is equal to IR, E is equal to E0 sin omega t, but EC is equal to Q by C. EC is equal to how much? Q by C. Take that in this side. What we can get? Q by C plus IR. You take this in this side. Then what we can get? ER is equal to IR. E is equal to E0 sin omega. EC is equal to how much? Q by C. It is a negative sign, take in this side becomes plus. Q by C plus IR is equal to T naught sin omega t. After simplification, now what is the impedance? The impedance becomes like this. Root R square plus XC square. Now what is the value of XC? XC is equal to 1 by omega C. That's why omega square C square. Now when the generator is connected to RC circuit which are in series, the impedance is Z is equal to R square plus XC square. Otherwise Z is equal to R square plus 1 by omega square C square. We know the value of omega, 4 pi square n square C square. Omega is 2 pi n, but omega square is 4 pi square n square C square. Now what is the phase? The phase is like this, where XL is there, at that place what we can write? XC. But in capacitor, AC current is in advance. That's why we take the diagram like this. Like this. Here we take R. Here we take R. In this direction what we can write? XC is equal 1 by omega C. In this direction, this is the phase phi. So this is value tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. What is XC? XC is equal to 1 by omega C. Okay. Now we can write like this. Tan inverse 1 by omega C means phi is equal to tan inverse 1 by omega C R. Okay. This is the phase of the which one? AC RC circuit. Otherwise phi is equal to tan inverse 1 by omega means 2 pi n C into R. Next, third one, peak current. How much the value of peak current? Peak current is I naught is equal to E naught by Z. Now what is Z? Z is equal to root R square plus XC square root. Otherwise, I naught is equal to E naught by R square plus 1 by omega square C square whole root. Okay, this is about RC circuit. When generator is connected to RL circuit and RC circuit, what we are calculated? Impedance, phase and peak current. Okay, these two are important, especially for objective type, otherwise 2 marks questions. Impedance is important. Impedance of RL circuit is Z is equal to R square plus XL square. For RL circuit, Z is equal to root R square plus XL square. For RC circuit, Z is equal to R square plus XC square.